The holy places are holy because the Lord performs His pastimes in those places. The importance of those places actually are there when the Lord comes and performs His pastimes. At that time everybody gets an opportunity to see the Lord with a mundane vision. But then the Lord withdraws His pastimes. Aprakata lila. And when He withdraws, then it's not possible to see Him. Only those who are pure devotees, they can see. Chaitanya Charitamrita says about Navadvipa, Mayapur, Adyapiha nitya lila kore Gaura rai, kono kono bhagyavane dekhibare paya. Still now, the eternal pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going on, but only some fortunate souls can see that. Only some fortunate souls can see that. Whereas a pure devotee of the Lord sees Him all the time in their hearts. Premanjana churita bhakti vilocanena. The devotee's eyes has been anointed with the mascara of love. Premanjana churita bhakti vilocanena. Santah sadaiva hrdayesu vilokayanti. The saintly personalities, the pure devotees of the Lord, see the Lord constantly, all the time in their hearts. Santah, sadaiva, constantly, all the time. Hrdayesu, in their hearts, vilokayanti, sees. Yang syamasundaram acintya swarupam. They see His transcendental Shamsundar form, which is a source of acintya, inconceivable transcendental qualities. So they see the Lord Himself. They see the Lord with all His transcendental potencies. Therefore, it can be said that these saintly personalities, as Yudhishtira Maharaja is pointing out, you are actually the moving tirthas. Wherever you go, you purify that place, turn that into a spiritual world due to the presence of the Lord in your heart.